Today I'll show you how to clear the Microsoft cache on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, we'll clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the letter R together. In the Run box, type WS reset --I. Press Enter. A blank window will appear for a moment, and then the Microsoft Store will reopen. That means the cache has been cleared. Next, we'll clear temporary files in Windows. Open Settings. Go to System, then Storage. Choose Temporary Files. When the list loads, select the items you want to remove, especially temporary files and delivery optimization files. Then click Remove Files. Now let's clear the File Explorer cache. Open File Explorer. Click the three dots at the top, then choose Options. In the Privacy section, click the Clear button. Then click OK. If you're having network or connection issues, clearing the DNS cache can help. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type ipconfig /flush-DNS. Press Enter. You'll see a message confirming the DNS cache has been cleared. If a specific Microsoft app is giving you trouble, you can also reset that app's cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Find the app you want to reset. Open its advanced options. Then click Reset. Finally, restart your computer. This helps Windows rebuild everything with a clean, fresh cache. And that's it. Your Microsoft cache is now cleared, and your system should feel smoother and more responsive.